nutrition in plants. So my very first question to all of you is, I want you to answer it in the comment section, that what do you mean by nutrients? We have come across, and we do study this, that nutrients are very important chemical compounds present in food. They are present in our foods like fats, carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, which are very essential for us. And when our body obtains it for the process of growth and development, that process is called nutrition. Let me repeat it in Hindi as well. Nutrients वो केमिकल कंपाउंड्स, केमिकल तत्व होते हैं जो हमारे खाने में प्रेजेंट, जैसे कि फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन, विटामिन्स. उसी तरीके से जब हमारी बॉडी उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को डाइजेस्ट करके यूज़ करती है हमारे डेवलपमेंट के लिए, बॉडी डेवलपमेंट्स के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए, मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए, टिश्यू रिपेयर करने के लिए, उसी प्रोसेस को न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं. तो आज हम न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स पढ़ने वाले हैं कि प्लांट्स किस तरीके से अपना न्यूट्रिशन रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द वेज बाय विच प्लांट्स कंप्लीट देयर न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट. आई नो all of you know this, that plants are green in color and they synthesize their food by themselves. वो अपना खाना खुद ही बनाते हैं और इसी वजह से उन्हें प्लांट्स को हम ऑटोट्रॉप्स कहते हैं. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ, ट्रॉप्स मीन न्यूट्रिशन. Plants are called autotrophs. Why? Because they can make their food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis. क्योंकि वो autotrophs होते हैं, इस वजह से the type of nutrition present in green plants is called autotrophic nutrition. So, the type of nutrition present in green plants is called autotrophic nutrition. So, my next question to you is, what about the human beings, the animals, जो अपना खाना खुद नहीं बना सकते? What kind of nutrition do they have? And what are they called? So, the type of nutrition present in animals and human beings or the non-green plants as well. Yes, plants are also of two types: the green plants that can carry out their nutritional requirement by themselves, and the non-green plants that cannot make their food by themselves, और वो dependent होते हैं किसी और पर. In this chapter we are solely going to study about which kind of plants follow heterotrophic type of nutrition. So here is the answer. The type of nutrition present in non-green plants, animals, is heterotrophic nutrition, and they are called heterotrophs. I hope I have made my concept clear to you, that in plants also we have two type of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is only carried by the green plants because they have chlorophyll. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is carried out by non-green plants and animals as well. Since this chapter is only about plants, we will read in depth about types of heterotrophic nutrition and the process followed by autotrophic plants. Now, moving ahead with the topic, so our next topic is photosynthesis. itself means light, and synthesis means to combine. मतलब लाइट के प्रेजेंस में कंबाइन करना. क्या कंबाइन करना? व्हाट डू वी कंबाइन? Correction. What do the plants combine in the presence of light? Let's find out. So this process, photosynthesis, is the only way by which green plants can make their food. Okay? I'll repeat. Only and only green plants have the ability to make food by the process of photosynthesis. Now, under this process, they combine 4 raw materials. First is water. Second is carbon dioxide. Third is chlorophyll. And fourth is light itself. So, in the photosynthesis is the process in which green plants combine water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll in the presence of light to give out oxygen and carbohydrates, which is the glucose. अब बहुत जगह देखेंगे it is written as glucose, बहुत जगह you will see it is written as carbohydrates. So oxygen and carbohydrates are the products of photosynthesis, whereas water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and light are the raw materials of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis के topic से जो important questions that comes is what is photosynthesis or explain photosynthesis. So I am giving you an answer जो आप अपने examinations में लिख सकते हैं. Everyone, you can note it down. I am going to dictate it in the classes itself. It is the process by which green plants combine water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll in the presence of light to give carbohydrates and glucose. Now, few facts related to photosynthesis, which is not as per your syllabus, but आपको पता होना चाहिए. Photosynthesis can only be carried in the presence of sunlight. It cannot be carried during night. So, since photosynthesis night में नहीं हो सकता, इस वजह से even at nights, plants do not give oxygen. They start giving out carbon dioxide. That is why it is advisable that we should not sleep under the tree at nights. I hope I made my point clear. Photosynthesis, the word means light, synthesis means to combine, okay, and it is only carried out in green plants. I have told you the questions related to this topic. Another question that could come is what are the raw materials of photosynthesis? So you have got these 4 raw materials to answer. Then what are the products of photosynthesis? Oxygen and carbohydrates are the product of photosynthesis. Coming to my next question. You must have seen there are many plants which are colored as red, maybe purple leaves you see on them. What do you think? Do they carry out photosynthesis? See, students, the plants other than yellow leaves do have chlorophyll. The only thing is that the color is overlapped. That is, purple color green color के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है, जिसकी वजह से we cannot see the green color, but it has green color. Since it has green color, that means it has chlorophyll, and since it has chlorophyll, it does carry out the process of photosynthesis. But yes, the yellow part of the leaf or the yellow leaves, they are incapable of carrying out photosynthesis because very important, chlorophyll is very important. Why? because it captures the sunlight, and without the presence of light or heat of the sun, photosynthesis cannot take place. जिस तरह से हमें भी खाना चाहिए होता है, खाना पकाने के लिए गर्माहट, गैस, चूल्हा ये सब चाहिए होता है ताकि वो गर्मी दे, अवन चाहिए होता है ताकि गर्मी से पके, उसी तरह, बिल्कुल उसी तरह प्लांट्स को भी सन की लाइट और हीट चाहिए होती है. सन की लाइट और हीट कैप्चर करने के लिए प्लांट्स हैव क्लोरोफिल, एंड इफ एनी प्लांट इज लैकिंग क्लोरोफिल दैट मीन्स वो फोटोसिंथेसिस अब नहीं कर सकता. ओके, our next part will be how do these raw materials reach to the plants.